Imagine you're leading an IT project, and you've identified a long list of risks, technical challenges, budget constraints, and vendor reliability issues. But here's the catch: not all risks are created equal. Without knowing which ones to prioritize, your team could spend valuable time and resources on low-impact issues while ignoring the ones that could derail the entire project. In today's video, we'll follow the story of Sarah, a project manager, who learned how to assess risks effectively and focus on what truly matters. Stick around for a practical guide to prioritizing risks for IT project success. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Next Chair. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for weekly insights on IT project management, risk mitigation, and leadership strategies. Today, we're diving into risk assessment, the critical step that helps you prioritize the risks that matter most. Whether you are managing a small project or a large-scale IT initiative, this video will equip you with the tools to assess risks effectively and make informed decisions. Topic Introduction. Risk assessment is the bridge between identifying risks and planning how to handle them. It helps you evaluate the likelihood of risks occurring and their potential impact, allowing you to focus your efforts on the most critical ones. Let's explore this process through Sarah's journey. Sarah was tasked with leading an IT infrastructure upgrade, a project involving new servers, cloud migration, and vendor collaboration. Her team identified a dozen risks, but without a clear way to prioritize them, they struggled to decide where to focus. By mastering risk assessment, Sarah turned confusion into clarity and delivered a successful project. Let's break down her approach step by step. Step 1. Categorizing risks. Sarah started by organizing her risks into categories, such as technical, operational, financial, and external risks. This helped her team focus on specific areas and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of risks. Technical note: common categories of IT project risks. 1. Technical risks: software bugs, integration failures, hardware compatibility issues. 2. Operational risks: delayed approvals, resource shortages, skill gaps. 3. Financial risks: budget overruns, unforeseen costs, currency fluctuations. 4. External risks: vendor reliability, market changes, regulatory compliance. For instance, Sarah categorized server downtime as a technical risk, while delayed vendor delivery fell under external risks. This organization gave her team a clearer understanding of the potential challenges. If you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your experiences with risk categorization in the comments below. With risks categorized, Sarah moved on to quantifying their likelihood and impact. Step 2. Evaluating likelihood and impact. Sarah used a simple scoring system to evaluate each risk based on two factors: likelihood, how likely the risk is to occur, and impact, how severe the consequences would be if it did. She assigned each risk a score from 1 to 5 for both factors. Technical note: scoring likelihood and impact. 1. Likelihood: 1 5, 1 equals very unlikely, 5 equals almost certain. 2. Impact: 1 5, 1 equals minimal impact, 5 equals catastrophic impact. For example, 1. Server downtime, likelihood equals 4, impact equals 5, high priority risk. 2. Budget variance, likelihood equals 2, impact equals 3, medium priority risk. Sarah's scoring revealed that server downtime was a critical risk, while minor budget variance was less urgent. This allowed her team to allocate resources where they were needed most. After assigning scores, Sarah visualized the data to gain even more clarity. Step 3. Creating a risk matrix. To visualize the prioritization, Sarah plotted her risks on a risk matrix. This simple 2x2 grid categorized risks into 4 quadrants. 1. High likelihood, high impact, immediate action required. 2. High likelihood, low impact, monitor closely. 3. Low likelihood, high impact, contingency planning. 4. Low likelihood, low impact, minimal attention. Technical note: how to use a risk matrix. 1. Plot likelihood on the x-axis and impact on the y-axis. 2. Place each risk in the appropriate quadrant based on its scores. 3. Use colors, e.g., red for high priority, yellow for medium, green for low, to highlight urgency. For instance, Sarah's matrix showed that vendor delays and server downtime were in the red quadrant, while compatibility issues were in yellow. This visualization made it easy to communicate priorities to her team. Quick reminder: don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips like this. Your support helps us create content to empower IT professionals. With her risks prioritized, Sarah collaborated with her team to validate the findings and ensure no critical risks were missed. Step 4. Collaborating with stakeholders. Sarah presented her prioritized risks to the stakeholders and team members. This collaborative step ensured that everyone was aligned and gave her a chance to validate her assessments with real-world insights. Technical note: best practices for stakeholder collaboration. 1. Hold a review session, present the risk matrix and invite feedback. 2. Discuss trade-offs, highlight potential conflicts between risks and project objectives. 3. Assign ownership, assign team members to monitor and address specific risks. For example, Sarah's team flagged an overlooked risk: potential cybersecurity threats during cloud migration. By incorporating this feedback, she updated the risk matrix and assigned ownership to the IT security lead. With the assessments validated, Sarah moved on to planning her next steps. Step 5. Integrating risk prioritization into project planning. Finally, Sarah integrated the prioritized risks into her project plan. She allocated resources, defined mitigation strategies, and set up monitoring systems for high-priority risks. Technical note: steps to integrate risk prioritization. 1. Allocate resources, dedicate time and budget to addressing high-priority risks. 2. Set triggers, define specific conditions that will trigger action for medium-priority risks. 3. Update plans regularly, continuously revisit and adjust the matrix as new risks emerge. For instance, Sarah allocated extra time in the schedule for server downtime testing and partnered with an additional vendor to reduce dependency on a single supplier. Conclusion: by following a structured approach to risk assessment, categorizing risks, scoring likelihood and impact, visualizing with a risk matrix, collaborating with stakeholders, and integrating findings into her project plan, Sarah successfully delivered her IT infrastructure upgrade without major setbacks. Risk assessment is a critical step in IT project management, helping you focus on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into managing IT projects. Let us know in the comments how you prioritize risks in your projects. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.